So we've just been consolidating for a while now, but we're about to hit my first target, and then from then I'm going to take off 50% of my position here, 50% of my position here, and then like I said, I'll let the rest run. You see Dixie's running quickly towards these lows. In fact, yeah, this is going to be, oh, excuse me. It's possible we might take out Tuesday's low as well. I'd like to see that happen, and then tomorrow I'd like to see Monday's low get taken. But I'm just going to mark these out in yellow because, like I said, the profile is purge and revert. As in Wednesday we made the high, came back up, traded to the breaker, had a breakdown. Now just entering the macro, so we're expecting a run to liquidity, and obviously we have liquidity below this low, and then we have this low. I would like to think that it can just run straight there. Nearly there. Still haven't taken out that low. There we go. You can see it's completely run. So let's take out half my position now. Then we'll let the rest run higher. GBP saying we've got these highs up here for GBP. See if we can grab those. See how weak dollar's being. I like to see that nice gap there. And then we'll let the rest run up to the next targets. So our next target would be this swing high here. You can see that we traded through the fair value gap, so I'd expect to find support on that. Let's go to a higher time frame. Got these highs up here. And I'm also going to move my stops to break even. In fact, we can move to the low of that. Let's have a better look. We can move it to this low here. So what's the low of that? The low of that is 1.07101. So let me just make that my new stop loss. I just want to see if Dixie can dip down into this low. Could we have this low as well? Let's just mark that out. There, let's see if we can get that one. Should be able to. Remember, we want to see GBP grab these stops just above these highs up here. And that's when I'll close out my GBP position. And then my euro, I'll take off another half above that, and then the rest I can run as it likes. Beautiful. 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 So I said I was going to take off another half at this level. Come on, Dixie. But it's a lot heavy weakness. I did explain in yesterday's video. I'm expecting heavy selling to be happening, and this is what we're witnessing right now. There we go. So I can take off my position there, and then we'll also close out GBP. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. I knew GBP would do that aggressively as well. Yeah, GBP is going to have a lot of strength because GBP technically needs to get up to this high, but I don't know if it's going to do it. So let's take off another half of GBP. I am just going to close out euro because it didn't trade that well. It probably will make its way up there. I can imagine it'll be quite a consolidated movement up. But that's going to bring us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.